Yes, people, we're back with a mouldy one today. So let's get to it. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you for subscribing. But yeah, check out the mould on this one, guys. Nice and thick, just what we love. Bit of dirt everywhere. So the history behind this car, it's been off the road for a year. The driver's now back driving, so she wanted it banging. She got the right people in for the job. Wait for the end result on this one. Yeah, if you ever come across mould in your car, I'd say to get rid of it straight away before it spreads like wildfire and you can get seriously ill. Look, it's spreaded from one side of the car to the other. Yeah, not what you want. Can cause really bad damage, this stuff. So first of all, before we even touch the inside, we're going to go to town with this stuff, BioBrisk. It's a living organism, so when you put warm water in it and spray it on, it's literally going to eat the mould alive. As you can see, it's winter time now, so it's nice and cold. So show some love for this video. We're out here in the cold for you guys. Well, yeah, back to the video. So we're going to spray the whole car with the BioBrisk. We've warmed it up from the customer's house and leave the car for half an hour and let the BioBrisk do its magic. You've always got to take extra safety measures when dealing with mould, because like I said at the start of the video, I don't want to get ill off this stuff. The customer doesn't want to get ill off this stuff, so we'll do our most to get it out. And the BioBrisk helps by being a living organism. Will literally eat the whole mould alive. We use this on every single mouldy car and it does the job every time. So if you do have a mouldy car, search in Auto Smart BioBrisk, get yourself a bottle and get spraying. Don't forget to drop a comment below where you're watching this video, what town, what country. We've had loads of cool countries message on our page now, so we'd love to see it. Keep them coming, guys. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribing already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're on the way to the moon. Lost my breath there, but we're still going with the spraying just so we make sure everything's safe and sound. I don't even want to touch this car before I spray at least a full bottle of this stuff all over. Let me know in your comments what your go-to product is when you're dealing with mould. I'd love to see it. I'd love to see how everyone else does it all around the world. Or if you just crack on and have a mouldy car, drop it in the comments saying you have a mouldy car. No one's here to judge. We've seen it all. Right then, now the half an hour's passed, we're going to make sure things are extra safe and go to town with this steamer. Let's go, baby. There's lots of perks to steam cleaning your car. With using the steam, it gets rid of all the germs that are hidden away, what you normally can't get to. Decontaminates the whole vehicle, and with such a mouldy car, this is so essential. I actually forgot I was meant to be doing some work myself, so I'm going to switch the hoover on and pretend to be busy. Get all these little dog hairs up. We find it very effective when you steam the floors and give it a hoover at the same time. Seems to get all the little bits that are embedded what normally you struggle to get to. Now we're going to go over the seats with the wash and vac, just to make sure they're nice, smelling fresh, nice and clean for the customer, so she's buzzing with it. We try and make sure every job we do, we leave the customer with a smile on the face. This is our favourite tool at the moment, what we call the drill brush. Just to show you that the wash and vac does do a bit. Look at all the dirty water coming out from the seats. We clean this out every car, so that is literally from this car alone.
Have you seen it before?
So when you don't think your seats are dirty, they are, trust me.
Seats are washed, shampoo, all the floors steamed, everything steamed. We're looking mould free. We're going to go over a little bit on this side, obviously we're not done yet. As you can see, we have attacked it. The customer's going to be very happy. Need to go over this a little bit and we're good.
I'd say every person who cleans their own car, or you're a detailer or your mobile valeter, need one of these, the drill brush. It loosens up all the dirt. Really does help. We call it the game changer. And ignore the sellotape on the hoover. I broke the hoover during this job. Yeah, I know it's cost me £50, so thank you everyone for staying tuned. I hope you've enjoyed this video. We're not done yet, so don't think it's the end. We're just giving you a quick little glimpse before we're all done, the last little bits. Right, so the moment everyone's been waiting for. I thought I'd show it while the car was clean on the outside as well. It's pretty much looking brand new. Mould free. Everywhere's been steamed. Seats have been wash and vacked. Just want to say again, mould free, mission completed. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you have, make sure you drop a comment telling me that you have enjoyed it. And if you're in the UK and you've got a mouldy car, feel free to contact us on any of our social medias. Thank you for watching, guys. See you again on the next one.